Well, good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Grumman-Pilot's YouTube channel. And this morning, we're going to open up a box, which we've already opened, and we're going to look in, and lo and behold, a brand new Treo Autopilot. So stay tuned. So we would like to ask you, please subscribe, hit the like button, and hit the notify to stay current with our content. Well, good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Grumman-Pilot's YouTube channel. And this morning, we're going to look to see what's in a box. When you order a Treo Autopilot, when you open the priority box, this is what you're going to see. You're going to see a whole bunch of stuff for the roll hardware, and it's all marked as to which one it is. I'm not going to bother to read these to you. You get the same thing on the pitch. They're all bubble wrapped up, all itemized. So this is when you order a Treo Autopilot. This is what it looks like when it comes in the box. So we just wanted to show you. A lot of people have asked about it, and we'll have more on this down the road in another video on the installation. So we just wanted to bring this to your attention. We hope you found it all useful and informative. Thanks for watching, and have a good day flying your Grumman. And in addition, there's a little treat about 3 o'clock in the morning when I'm doing web work and other stuff. Here's my cat coming down, playing with a mouse and meowing and just having a good time with me in the wee hours of the night. So I thought I'd throw this into you as a little treat. Y'all please enjoy.